Happy New Year. Welcome back to Cooking with the Captain, where I get to drink Captain and Diets and show you how to cook some crazy stuff at home. Hey, listen, we hope everybody had a wonderful holiday, got to spend plenty of time with friends and family, because that's actually what the season's about, or at least that's what I think. Today's video is going to be real simple. I'm going to pan fry a thin cut ribeye, utilizing my mild seasonal and my steak and burger. So I'm going to season the ribeye in that first for probably about 45 minutes at room temperature. Then I'm going to show you how to create a sauce that I use for a baste. You can use it for dipping. It's a dark steak style sauce. So it's real simple to make, and you should have a lot of the ingredients, if not all the ingredients, sitting around your house. If not, take a trip to the store and grab them, because you don't want to miss this one. If you like what you see and some of the products of what we do, you can get to flavoryourmeat.com, throw a few things in your cart, and we'll ship that directly to your door. New for 2024 is our Just the Dip premium dip mixes. Real simple to make. Dump the contents of the package into whatever the package says sauce-wise, which is sour cream, mayonnaise, or sour cream. We have a buffalo ranch, a blazing buffalo ranch, and also a French onion dip. Better than what you can find on the store. So again, get to flavoryourmeat.com, throw some stuff in your cart, and get it shipped to your door. If you like this video, do us a favor, subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, tell us what you like, what you don't like, so we can feel special, and then also hit that thumbs up button and show us what's going on. Thanks for following. Thanks for stopping by, and we hope you have a great 2024. We'll see you soon, but on to the video. Have a great day.